Now, Kenyan athletes might soon be traveling on a diplomatic passport, according to Sports Cabinet Secretary Ababu Namwamba, who pledged to petition the cabinet to grant the athletes the special travel document. The CS was speaking in Eldoret during the launch of an air quality monitoring center, where he also reiterated that the ministry is working on a policy framework to criminalize doping in the country. Our reporter Steve Keter has that report.
In 2021, Athletics Kenya became the first athletics federation in the world to sign a climate action pact with the United Nations. Today, AK installed the 5th and 6th air quality monitoring sensors at Lobo Village in Eldoret, Uasin Gishu County, and Eliud Kipchoge Training Complex in Kapsabet, Nandi County.
So we installed one at Nyayo National Stadium, the second one, supported by United Nations Environment Program and Stockholm Environment Institute. After that, we installed one at KWS.
Because we see the drought is really big in Turkana, and people are really suffering because of hunger and really not good condition because of climate change. I can say this air quality sensor will help us as athletes to perform well in our sport activities and in athletics. Because when we breathe in a good air, we perform well, we run good, and we break records.
Sports CS Ababu Namwamba, who was the chief guest at the event, acknowledged the role athletes play in marketing the country and said the government will make their outside travel much easier.
I've been governor for 5 years. I have not had one single opportunity that I have caused the national flag and the national anthem to be sung globally. I have not managed, yet I have the passport, and many others have diplomatic passport.
I'm going to present an official request to Cabinet for this agenda of granting special diplomatic passport to our elite sports people to be approved at the very highest level.
He also affirmed the government's determination to curtail the rise of doping menace in the country.
I'm bringing proposals to amend the law to criminalize doping, to make it extremely expensive, to elevate doping substances to the same level as hard drugs.
Athletics has made Kenya one of the most respected nations in the world, and the country is planning to use that to whip other nations towards taking climate action. Steve Keter, NTV Sport, in Kapsabet, Nandi County.